Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa patties. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of cooked quinoa, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, and 1 egg. We'll also use some finely chopped vegetables and your favorite seasonings to add flavor. This recipe is a fantastic way to create a satisfying and nutritious dish. To begin, ensure you have 1 cup of cooked quinoa ready. Next, measure out 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. These are crucial for holding your patties together. Don't forget 1 egg, which acts as another binder. Finally, prepare about 1/4 cup of your favorite finely chopped vegetables, like bell peppers or onions, and your preferred seasonings. Now, in a large mixing bowl, combine your cooked quinoa, breadcrumbs, egg, chopped vegetables, and seasonings. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. Then, take small portions of the mixture and gently form them into patties, aiming for about 2 inches in diameter and 1/2 inch thick. Make sure they are firm enough to handle. Heat a lightly oiled pan over medium heat. Carefully place your quinoa patties in the hot pan. Cook each side for approximately 3 to 4 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and heated through. Once cooked, serve them warm with a dollop of your favorite dipping sauce or alongside a fresh salad for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.